Good morning, first graders. Here is a video for you today to walk you through some new parts on your morning work. Now, if you sat down and read the directions with your parents and you think you know what to do, then you don't need to watch this video. But if you're not sure what to do, I'm going to walk you through it right now. So if you'd like to get your morning work out so that you can do it along with the video, that would be a great idea. It's day 26. If you just want to watch the video just to listen and take it in and then you can do your work after, that's fine too. You pick which way you'd like to do it. But if you want to get your work and do it alongside me, it would be a good time to pause and go get your supplies set up. Okay? Let me show you the new parts. All right, here we are, day 26. The top is always going to be some kind of reading or writing. Your task this time is to read the sentence and draw a line to match the picture to the sentence. So we have 3 pictures, 3 sentences. Let's see if we can match them together. The first sentence, the gift has a tag. Which picture does that match? My second one, draw a line to connect. Now I'm using a pink marker so that you can see even better, but you should always be doing yours in pencil. Let's read the next one. The van is fast. Which one matches? Let's draw a line to connect. And last we have the man is in the sun. Draw a line to connect. Now, you're going to have this for the next couple days as well. So when it comes your turn to read, use your fingers to tap out your sounds if you need to. If you're not quite sure what it says, slow down and think about the sounds that you see to help you sound out those words. Okay, let's look down here. We have a new part for math right here as well. Here's our directions. Write an equation that matches the sets. These are 2 sets of pictures. We're going to write an equation that will match. Let's look at the first one. Let's count how many birds we see. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put a 3 in this box. This circle is for our sign. And since we're getting more birds over here, that means we're adding. So a plus sign goes in the circle. 3 plus, how many birds on this side? 1, 2. They did the equal sign for you, so now I need to put my total on this side. How many birds all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try this one. It's a little bit harder this time. How many books? 1, 2, 3. I see more books over here, which means I'm going to be doing another plus. Ooh, let's count these tiny books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice how I put a dot in each one? That's just for me to keep track of which ones I already counted. That's a strategy that you can use if you're using a picture to help you out. That way you don't lose track or you count one book twice. I put a dot so I know when I counted it. 6. Ooh, 3 plus 6. That's a little bit harder for me. I think I'm going to start with the bigger number. Since it's a plus, I can add in any order. So I'm going to start 6 and count up 3. So I have 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is my answer. Now the rest should look pretty familiar to you. You have some addition practice down here. I just want to remind you that you can add in any order. So when I look at a problem like this, 2 plus 9, I could easily make this 9 plus 2. You don't actually have to write it. You can just think the opposite in your head. Think of it flipped around, and it will be a little bit easier to solve that way. So I'll let you do that by yourself. I just want to show you one more thing. Over here on our number of the day, instead of tally marks, this has changed, and now it just says represent. That's just a fancy way to say show how you can make this number. So you can still do tallies if you'd like, but look at the tallies for 26. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. That's a lot of tallies. That could take a long time. You can do any other option that's going to show 26. So if you want to do an equation, you could build an equation like 25 plus 1 equals 26. That works. You could also choose to do a number bond to show the number. So if I have 26, maybe my two parts this time will be 20 and 6. You do not have to do all of these ways. It's your job to pick one way to show this number. And it doesn't have to be the same every day. Maybe you do tallies one day and an equation the next. Perfect. You pick a way that works for you and show me the number of the day. Remember our tens and our ones place? This just comes down. Here's our ones number, 6, and this is our tens number, 2. 26. All right, that's all the new parts for you today. If you wanted to follow along or didn't have your paper out, you could pause the video to copy what we did together, and then you solve the rest by yourself. The rest of the week, every single page is going to be like this, where you have the reading and matching, building equations, and from now on, this will be represent instead of tallies. So you should be able to do the rest on your own. Have a wonderful day. Good luck.